Ready for the ultimate fine dining experience? Because something brand new has just opened. Happiest Hour. And today I brought my mom and dad here for a special dinner. Located at the 6th floor of UD Bhavan, this place is perfect for a family fine dining experience. The ambience itself makes you feel so elegant and relaxed. We started with the delicious starters, and trust me, every bite was a burst of flavors. My parents were already impressed. For the main course, we tried their multi-cuisine spread. From Indian to continental, their variety is just amazing, and everything tastes absolutely authentic. Of course, no meal is complete without dessert. Their sweet treats were the perfect ending to our fine dining experience. My parents loved it as much as I did. Happiest Hour truly made my family time memorable. If you're in Agartala, don't miss out on this brand new